Did Silver Dollar City turn an entire theater into a barbecue joint?
Stick around to the end of the video to find out.
Hey guys, wanted to interrupt this video to let you guys know that we are affiliated with Hoka shoes. If your feet are hurting or from walking around, standing in line a long time, these shoes are perfect for theme parks. We wear them all the time when we go.
They're excellent from walking 10,000 steps a day to just standing in these long lines. They are perfect. They're the go-to shoe for us for sure, and we hope that you enjoy them too.
Yep, and they keep our feet fresh and ready to go when we are walking, or even if you want to use them for running as well, they are solid shoes. So anyway, click the link in the description box below to get yours today. It really helps us out, bring quality content to you guys. So, all right, let's get back to the video. Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hello.
So we are back at Silver Dollar City, and we have found out that they have the return of the House of Barbeque in the Red Gold Heritage Hall.
I love that because they used to do this, and it was such a cool little area to one, cool down a little bit, and then two, just like sit there and eat some good barbecue.
Definitely. So the Red Gold Heritage Hall has been turned into this big area full of just barbecue food, and it is during the Bluegrass and Barbecue Festival.
Yeah.
So why not have it then?
Of course.
Absolutely. So anyway, so that is where we are heading. We're going to show you guys everything that they have to offer inside the Red Gold Heritage Hall, or actually, it has been renamed to the House of Barbecue.
Yes,
temporarily.
which is so appropriate.
Temporarily renamed. So yeah. Definitely. So anyway, we're heading over there to that. So stick with us to the end of the video to find out all the food options that you guys can get there. And yeah, so anyway, see you guys when we get over to the House of Barbecue. As we were headed up to the House of Barbecue, we stumbled across this little pop-up stand of Yoder's Bonanza fried pies. Looks like they have an assortment of different options for fried pies. They are apple, blackberry, blueberry, cherry, chocolate, lemon, peach, pecan cream, raspberry, and strawberry cream cheese. Well, there's raspberry cream cheese, strawberry cream cheese, what I mean by that. So yeah, so they look great. They are $7.50 for that pies. And right here is a place that you guys can sit outside and eat. So yep, really awesome stuff. So anyway, we are probably going to get one of these later after we get some barbecue. So we will see you over at the House of Barbecue. Here is the entrance to the Red Gold Heritage Hall, aka the House of Barbecue, America's Great Taste. So follow us inside to see all of the awesome barbecue that they have to offer. We have made it inside the Red Gold Heritage Hall, and has been turned into the House of Barbecue. They even will have some live music over there on the stage as well. And it is decorated really nicely. It looks like there are 4 stands where you can go grab some awesome barbecue food at. And we will go to each one to see if they are different. They have very similar looking words on them from here. So yeah, and the photos look similar as well. We'll zoom in on one of those real quick. And that's as far as we can go on that for right now, as you can see. But yeah, so this place is basically like a giant food hall of barbecue. And like I said, live music. Normally this is a location that has different things, especially at Christmas time. They have some shows in here throughout the year as well. So anyway, we're gonna head over there to this stand and see what they've got to offer. So these are the options for the House of Barbecue. And we've got hickory smoked pulled pork for $17.99, sliced beef brisket for $18.99, pulled pork and beef brisket for $20.99, and then you've got dry rub ribs, half rack and full rack, $18.99 and $28.99 respectively. It includes home-style potato salad and baked beans and a dinner roll for the entrees. For the sandwiches, you have pulled pork and sliced beef brisket, $15.99 for the pork, $16.99 for the beef brisket, and that is served on a brioche bun and includes home-style potato salad and baked beans. They also have the same thing for a kids meal. the pulled pork and beef brisket, and then you've got your regular drinks. I think Ash and I are both going to get the kids' meal. She's going to get the brisket, and I'm going to get the pulled pork sandwich. I will get the beans, and she's going to get the potato salad. So anyway, we're going to go over to these fine ladies and gentlemen and get our food. So see you after. So each of us got a kids' meal. I got the pulled pork sandwich, and she got the brisket sandwich. Each of them come with an option of either baked beans or potato salad, an applesauce, and a kid-size fountain drink, which
It's
honestly,
a lot of food.
well,
$9.
Yeah, well, actually they were $8.
Oh yeah.
They were $8. Well, $7.99 really. So plus tax. With our discount, it probably came to probably $7.50-ish. Oops, I didn't pay attention. I apologize. But anyway, we're going to show you this food real quick.
They look about like the size of a slider, honestly, kind of. But like,
They
there's
really
a lot
do.
of meat on that. I mean,
There is, and there's quite a bit here as well with that. And I also got like they gave us some. This is the drink, and then like they even had some different types, spicy and sweet heat. There's different options for barbecue, which Ash is going to stay away from. She's going to stay with the original. So yeah, so we've got that. So anyway, we're going to go ahead. We're going to try this out real quick. I'm going to try.
It looks very good.
I'm actually so. I want to try these new barbecue sauces because I have not seen them before. I don't think.
That is true. I don't think I've seen them either.
I mean,
Even the smokehouse.
See, that's where I'm like, I don't know if they're at the smokehouse or not, and I may have had them before. So
I think so. I don't remember that.
yeah, I don't know. So I'm going to try the spicy first, and here's how I'm going to do it. I'm just going to put a little bit of pulled pork with it.
Boy, this is gonna be messy for me.
That's got some really good heat to it. Like, I actually like it. The spicy is good.
Also, I saw several adults getting these kids' meals for themselves too.
It's more than enough food for you for lunch, I think. Like, and especially for a picky eater, the pulled pork with the baked beans, solid option. So let's try this sweet heat.
Brady, you messed up.
I messed up.
You should have got this brisket. Because you know what this brisket's like? Bucky's.
No way.
It is. Take it back.
All right.
It's
I think I'm
messy, though.
gonna have to take a bite of
I'm
this.
sorry, so be aware. It's gonna get all everywhere. I kind of messed up on the barbecue sauce, but
Oh, I messed
it's
up.
moist. It's not dry
That's
at
good.
all. It's very good.
See, and I'm not a big brisket person, but that's good.
Can you give me a napkin?
Yeah,
too?
I got you. I had to rip this one in half. I got way too much. So,
I'm try my potato
okay,
salad.
that
though.
brisket, guys. Brisket sandwich is pretty good. And if I'm saying it's good, you know it's got to be good because I don't like brisket.
The potato salad's pretty good. It is mustard based, so if you like mustard. I usually like the ones with like eggs in it and like mayo based, but this is not bad.
I think we're gonna go with the sweet heat barbecue on the pulled pork sandwich. So we got that going on. So I also tried the baked beans just now. They're not too bad, honestly. Pretty standard baked beans. Bush's baked beans is what they really are. I don't know if they have a specific like type of them or whatever, but it tastes like Bush's baked beans, honestly. So anyway, we are going to finish up our food, and then we are going to tell you a little bit more about this House of Barbecue and everything when we get done. So anyway, see you guys when we get done eating.
Okay, so we just got done eating. How did you think the barbecue was?
I thought it was actually really, really good. Like, pretty like on par with like the rest of the barbecue around the taste, even in the tasting passport. Which, if you haven't seen that video, it is right there above Ashley. And even with the Rivertown Smokehouse down there, I mean, it's really good. But this stuff was like, I don't know, it tasted a little bit more like fresh right off the smoker, which is right here behind Ashley, as you can see, a bunch of smoke coming out of it back there too. So.
I do want to mention that the House of Barbecue is decorated so neat. It really just like sets you into like summer barbecues, and I'm all about that immersive kind of ability to have that decor and everything. So it's pretty neat.
I agree. I really enjoyed it in there. It felt like you were at a barbecue. Like literally, it was
Family
picnic was in there. It had
reunion.
that red and white plaid like picnic table stuff. So yeah, I mean, I super enjoyed it and really looking forward to it. I think you guys really need to check that place out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here and get us some fried pies, like I showed you earlier.
Because we need a sweet now,
Yeah,
obviously.
we need a sweet. We need to finish it off. We need to wash it down. So anyway, see you guys over there. All right, well, there is Ash. She has gotten our Yoder's Bonanza fried pies, and we discovered that she makes all of these things from scratch. So anyway, there's the pie right there in Ash's hand. So we are going to sit down and let you guys know what we think. So you want to go over there? All right, sounds good. All right, so like we said a minute ago, we got us a Yoder's Bonanza fried pie made from scratch.
I'm really excited. It looks good.
Oh man, I can already see the glaze over the top of that. Look at that. Get that nice right there.
Good job, Dana.
I know. Yoder's.
Yeah.
Yoder's. So these are $7.50, and for a comparison to our hand, they're about about hand size. So not too bad for $7.50. I think if anything is handmade, including the filling, it is worth $7.50. Now I'm not a big fruit in bakery sort of thing, but Ash is. This is more for her, but I will try
pie.
this. I was leaning more towards the chocolate, but anyway, I'm gonna take a bite of this first, and then Ash can have the rest if I don't like it. Okay, I got zero filling on my first bite.
Oh, well,
Like none.
You got the crust.
I did get the crust, and okay, you need to go get another one.
No.
This is mine.
You can eat your
I'm-
chocolate.
Like no joke.
Really?
That's really good.
I'm excited. You know this is handmade.
1,000% that's handmade. Like
So good.
I'm thoroughly impressed with this. I don't know how long this is going to be here or why it's here, but it does look like it is a like
A pop-up.
movable pop-up like food truck sort of thing. So if you see them in places, you best hit this place up. I kind of want to go get a chocolate one now.
Really?
I really kind of do. I'm very tempted.
I mean, look how full that is.
That is like extremely full.
I mean, she puts it all in there. That's amazing.
Mm-hmm. So anyway,
all you
guys,
need is some milk.
for the chocolate one maybe, yeah, but not for that. I don't see that. That one, you can wash that down with your Dr. Pepper. Because it's cherry and stuff. See? Look.
Cherry Dr. Pepper.
Well, mine was Coke, but it is what it is. Anyway, so I'm going to let Ash enjoy the rest of her pie. If I get a chocolate one, I'll get back on here and show you guys a chocolate one. So anyway, we will see you then. So we have finished up that delicious pie and that awesome barbecue.
Yes.
And that train's a rolling. So anyway, guys, we really appreciate you guys coming along with us today to the House of Barbecue and even trying an impromptu fried pie from Yoder's. But anyway, Yoder's Bonanza, actually. So guys, really, if you're coming here for the House of Barbecue, or not the House of Barbecue, but the Bluegrass and Barbecue Festival, you need to go check out the House of Barbecue big time. If you're not getting the tasting passport, that is where you're going to get the best barbecue, I think, for this festival at the time. So
For sure.
definitely. And the atmosphere is just incredible in there.
Yes,
So.
it's so neat.
And it's air conditioned. Just remember
Another
that.
plus.
Another plus. It's been really hot. If you guys want to keep up with more of our Silver Dollar City videos, theme park news, updates, or any other theme park videos, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that,
Bell notification button.
so that you guys don't miss any more of our theme park news, adventures, and many more. Stand by for train horn. 3, 2.
Early.
So anyway, guys, like I said, like button, subscribe button, bell notification button, and with that,
Bring on the next adventure.
bye guys.